Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to set auto-mail reply in Outlook. Open your Outlook application. From the File menu, click on Automatic Replies. Now check the box, Send Automatic Replies. If you wish, check the box, Only send during this time range. Configure the desired days and time. Additionally, you can click on Rules. Click on Add Rule to have some condition options for your response. Enter the desired response and click on OK. You will see that automatic replies are enabled in Outlook. When you want, click on Turn Off to no longer use them. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.